Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to answer the calls by just opening of phone. Okay, so first of all you have to select this phone icon, this green color icon. Just select it. So once you select it, here you see the phone menu will open, and here you see on top right corner we have these three dots. Okay, just select it. So once you select it, here you see this option of settings. Just select this settings option. Okay, so once you open the settings option, it will open the call setting menu. Okay, and here in the call setting menu, the very first option over here, it says flip options. Just select it. So once you select it, here you see the very first option, it says open phone to answer calls. Okay, currently it is disabled, so I will enable it. Okay, so now everything is done. Now I can go back. Okay, and now I will try to call on this number. Okay, so I will make a call. Okay, so you will see over here, so when I open the phone it will automatically receive. So here you can see I'm getting this call. So now what I will do, I just open my phone. Okay, and the call is already received. You can see over here the seconds are now started. Okay, and then you can talk. Okay, so this is how you can answer the calls by just opening the phone in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.